Let's look at file handling with Pandas. So Pandas provides a number of readers, reader functions, for instance, and writers for these different formats. So we have text files, binary files, and SQL database queries. Now there's CSV, JSON, HTML, LaTeX, XML, Excel files, Open Document, HDF5, etc. The reader functions are given here, and the respective writer functions are given there. This is an overview table that you can find on the Pandas documentation website. What we want to look at here is the CSV and the Excel or Open Document files. This is probably what you, at least in the beginning, are going to be encountering the most. Let's look at an example where we are reading a CSV file. So we import Pandas. The comment here says that we want to get a data frame that uses the first column as index. That's why we said index call to 0 as a header line, and the field separator is a white space. So the separator here is a white space. The file name is station. And all we do is we call read CSV on station with these parameters. Now let's print 3 stations that we are interested in using the index. So we can say stations that are named ammo, bar, and CL7 should be printed. And what this looks like is that you're getting this nice data frame output. Pandas recognize that the first line is the header. This is what's given here. So we use that as the column names, latitude, longitude, elevation, type, and number. And name here. And the data is for sites ammo, bar, and CL7, latitudes, longitudes. If we wanted more, if we want different ones, we could just use the station identifiers in this list. Now, if we want to write things to CSV, do the same thing that we read our station list. We select a subset of stations like we just did. Instead of printing them, though, we save them to new stations, and then we can write it to a new file. We can just say new stations to CSV, stations short.csv, and then we have this contents in our file.